Guards, it's careful. I'm just kidding. It's just me, the phenomenal blue Pikachu. We're doing the Alta Chrono unboxing. Let's try. Now, his owner is Kuzo. He's a balanced type. He has all 4 modes and all. He's his Ultra Chronos 6 Meteor Trance. Alright. And, guys, here's the back. If you want to see it. Yep. There's, pretty much the things you know. In there it says 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Now let's pack the thing. Oh wait, why is it already teared up and why is there nothing in there? Ah, yeah, it's gotcha. There he is. Ultra Chrono. There he is, guys. Give a good look at him. Yeah. He's in stamina right now because I've been playing with Ultra Chrono and I already put the stickers. Here's his driver. Let me change modes for you. Let me change. Alright guys, actually I don't really need to because look, you already know that this part you changed. Let me get you in an angle. See guys, so you change this right here. So see, you change that, and then you go up. There's a meteor and the six, and here you also change it, the stamina and attack. See guys. And when he is in right here, he's in stamina, which is the blue. Stamina is blue. And when he's up here, he's at attack, which is red. And I know y'all guys can't see, but look very closely. You see that red? I know you do. Let me change it for you. Now blue. And yeah, like I said, you can change the tip. So see, guys, it will pop up. Let me show you. Attack, stamina. You can actually see the difference. Attack, stamina. Let me put it in stamina. Yeah, guys, that was my unboxing of Ultra Chrono 6 Meteor and his final driver Trans. And guys, that's it for this video. Hope you love Ultra Cronus, because I really do. He is a good bait. He has a lot of potential. He could be Siege, Killer Death Sizer. He could be God Valkyrie, and I like testing him. He could be Spring Requiem a couple times. Yeah. And guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you like Ultra Chrono, because I do. So, and bye, guys.